Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. Today we have another knife sounds with the Gerber fast draw. This time it has a lock, so it's locked when there's no red. When there's red, you can unlock it. But you gotta push it up to lock it. So let's start the reverse flick. The regular flick. It's thumb studs dual, so we're gonna start it with the right hand regular thumb stud. That's assisted. Now reverse flick. We'll hold it like this, or like this. There's Gerber on the pocket clip. Locked. So let's see the very good in the centering. Now we can go unlock it and go regular flick, regular thumb stud on the left. Can I even close it to the left? Nope, I cannot close it left, so it's only a right-handed knife. Let me just try reverse flicking it. Cannot close it left-handed, so it's only a right-handed knife. Let's try again. Let me know what you think of this knife, the Gerber Fast Draw Combo Edge, in the comment section below. And if you have one, how does it work for you? Can you do it left-handed? I sure cannot. Let me try one more time. No, it's very tough, so no. Let me know what you think of this knife in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent, be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your family, your friends, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades.